Good morning. Okay. Do we have anybody on YouTube? Hey, good morning. Okay, so we all know that market gapped yesterday, so we are mostly up from yesterday. I think quite quite a lot actually. That was almost say yeah, we're talking about 2.57%, two and a half. Uh, so basically, RIP any swing puts, and congratulations for whoever is holding calls. Okay, which is definitely great. Today we gotta be again careful in the morning because simply we don't know what will happen. There are two scenarios here. So the first scenario is that people will, or investors will take profits at the bell open. So most probably you will find a sell-off in the beginning, and we don't want to be caught in this sell-off. Okay, today we wanna be very patient and see what's gonna happen. Are we actually going to continue going up, or is this surge in the prices just a temporary reaction to the speech by Trump yesterday? And I think Elon also talked yesterday as well. Of course, I think that the driver yesterday was Tesla, and it's pretty interesting because as you can see here on the right side of the screen, Tesla didn't make the earnings. Okay, did not make the earnings. Tesla earnings were bad. However, the market is always having this kind of a speculative component into it. So when there are news about Mr. Elon leaving Doji and he is going to go back and focus on Tesla, there is here a big component of speculation that okay, Tesla is gonna get back to her its historical sales, and he's gonna focus back on Tesla and blah 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 blah. So just trying to let you understand what's going on with the market sentiment. In my opinion, the fact that Tesla did not make the earnings for the last quarter is a big question mark on Tesla in general. And I think that this surge in the prices is going to be temporary and subject to the actual performance of Tesla in the next, I would say, maybe days or weeks. So if you're a long-term investor, you got to be careful here about the real numbers, that Tesla didn't actually make the earnings and their sales were terrible last quarter, versus speculation and being attached to a person. Okay, so if you can't really hear me on YouTube, I thought that it should be fine. Is everybody having a problem in YouTube when it comes to the? Okay.
Good morning. Good morning. Namrood, I got a question.
Hold on, just a moment. Let me see why YouTube is not. Let's see. Can hear other people more? No. Okay. I'm gonna fix this. Okay, we're gonna fix this, guys. Just give me a moment here. Okay, what about now? Is it better now? Yeah, I'm gonna lower the volume for my desktop, so you won't hear that loud. So just make sure that the voice is clear now. Just to start moving on. Yeah, so I made sure now that the Discord voice is now lower than it was, so that you guys can't hear it. But just confirm, can everybody on YouTube hear me? We haven't started yet. We have 2 minutes for. Okay, brilliant, nice. Okay, so I will start to see. So this is QQQ. Let me clean up a little bit. Okay. So I expect a little bit of a pullback here, guys, when we start this. Let me put the fibs here. Okay. So we will assume for now that we are obviously in a bullish trend, and we're gonna put our fibs based on that. Again, I do expect some pullback in the morning. I don't want to get caught, so we're gonna give it a moment. Now the bell is here. Okay. So people who are in the UPS from yesterday or SoFi, let me just open SoFi and see. Uh, oh my goodness, SoFi is actually 62 cents, guys. If you are in SoFi, you are in luck. SoFi is 62 cents. Who is in SoFi? Swing. This is 52, and this is UPS from yesterday. Okay, so that's UPS. As I told you, sell at the bell. UPS and SoFi.
Good webinar. You have entered as an attendee in listen-only mode.
Let's see some green on it. Yeah. Just saying, see plenty of that. All right. Can't chase him.
So that's SoFi. See, this is what I'm talking about, guys.
Yeah.
Please take
Happening.
profits because it's gonna pull back. Everybody's gonna.
Let's lose, guys. You know, like I said, one of the things.
Wait, can you still hear them?
President said he has no intention of firing the chairperson. At one point, they were talking about it. Yeah, they sure were. Now,
Okay, wait.
so they done backed off. Yeah, he backed off. Yeah, them investors. That's what happened. Right, Michael. I see your note, Michael. That's a Jamie. All right. How you
What
feeling,
about
Mike?
now?
Yeah. The investors they like power. You know what I mean? So they like.
Okay, can you in Discord, if you are not talking, could you please mute yourself? Okay, no, I think it's fine. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so QQQ is It's going up here. I'm not gonna chase this candle. I'm gonna wait.
Yo, what's going on, man? Yo, man.
Okay, so let's just give it a moment here, guys, and let it do its thing. I think our perfect entry should be somewhere here for continuation. Okay. That's on the QQ level. I don't think that there is a delay today, right? Is anybody facing any delay?
I'm not noticing anything. Yeah, I closed the red on the Tesla call for somehow.
So again, as I told you guys, we gotta be patient to see to wait for taking profits.
Are you
No,
getting calls?
no, Zing Nan. We are just waiting for the take profit to finish. Oh no, I couldn't hear him. Wait, I'm gonna put this. Hey, Ben, say again.
Yo, I closed red on the Tesla call. I I don't know how. I mean, it must be the decay, but
Oh, yeah. How much did it go for?
I lost like 5%.
What?
Yeah,
Oh, was it too far out of the money?
I don't know. It might have been.
Oh, anyway,
I
that's
don't.
fine. It's an ER. It's an ER play. So,
Yeah.
I mean, unlucky. Unlucky. Or maybe you didn't get filled. See, here is this is that insane price action. Let me actually, guys, and go and check the IV.
Did you get in?
No, no, no. See, it was like going down and then suddenly going up.
Wow. Yeah, I just caught that spy move it just did. I got in at 140,
Yeah,
1.4.
yeah.
It went all
I
the way
was,
down to
I was waiting for this
140.
candle to close to
Now,
enter at this side, and then it never closed. Actually, it just shoot back
golly.
up.
It went up
Shoot,
180% in a
yeah,
matter of
just
a
shoot
couple
up.
seconds. Then my account's up 50%.
I mean,
Yeah,
all of this within the same candle. This is crazy.
dude, that was crazy.
Yeah,
I
but
think I'm done for the day.
how? But wait. See, that's fine if you're done. That's cool. Um, but remember that this volatility is not good. I mean,
I, I'll join back momentarily.
yeah, yeah,
Actually,
sure.
Namrood, I actually had a question today. How are you going about today with all this news? It's literally news from shit. I don't know till like what 2 o'clock.
See, as you can all see on my screen now, this is not the price action that you want to get in because it's just luck. It depends on when did you enter and within 1 or 2 minutes how your broker is gonna fill you up, and you cannot even close your trade properly because you don't know where this is going. Like this candle here is one of the craziest candles that I have seen for a while. Like it went all the way down and then again up. My entry is gonna be the same. I wanna wait till this candle finish and see where it's gonna close. Okay, but let me just check first the implied volatility. So implied volatility today on QQQ is still expensive. It's around like some of them is around like 90%. So for the calls, 70%. The IV. I think it's safe actually to enter something right now to enter calls because we are. It's gonna be a little bit tricky and risky because I still expect that this candle might go down and touch those levels. So, and also these prices are really crazy. Let me go and see. Let's check SPY and see if SPY is doing the same thing. mean, I know it's very tempting to get into these candles, right?
Do you open this?
Well, if I entered now, I would be just chasing. I need these prices to cool down. See, and again, guys, it's not like, see this. If you know the candlestick patterns, see this candle here. Who knows what is this candle? What's this candle? What's the name of this candle? Anybody knows? Brilliant. That's a doji candle. And what does it mean, doji candle?
Indecision.
Indecisiveness. Correct. Correct. So it's not necessary to be a reversal, but it means that there is indecisiveness in the price action. Okay? And this is why we need extra confirmation before we throw our money into this market. Now again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. You can see what I see here. If you would like to go and take your own trade and do your thing like our friends Vincent and Ben and other, that's fine. You might get lucky, you might actually see something I don't. But I would like to have one more confirmation here. Just one more. See, the same thing here on SPY.
We are above VWAP on the 5-minute on keys.
We are above the VWAP, we are above the EMA and the SMA. Now the question is, Ben, if we're gonna enter now, are we actually chasing or this is a good entry?
No, it's not a good entry right now.
We are chasing. And when it actually touched the VWAP, it touched it with this doji, with this crazy doji. Somebody was asking about Netflix. Let's check Netflix. Are you guys frozen on YouTube? Okay, so this is Netflix as expected. We got some, this is 5 minutes. So this is the sell-off here. Okay. Now it's kind of, on Netflix, it's kind of a full reversal here. Like 180. So I'll stay away. I want to focus with SPY. Maybe I would go for the 3 minutes here on SPY. Usually I don't, but I want to see. I want to see this action a little bit better, because it can't just keep going on up like that. It has to pull back down to one of these levels. So let me show you something on US 500 because I like US 500 better. 550. If we let me draw this line here, and I'll tell you our next move. So 535 is here. 5460. Okay. Right. So at 5460 here, this level, if we broke above, we're gonna go to the moon. I expect that we are going to. So let's get ready with calls first. Let's get ready with calls and see how it will go. So this is SPY. SPY. It's too expensive, man. Well, I mean, the only thing is gonna be 553 or 554 or 552. One of those. I like the 552, but I really want to wait for this level to see this level 560, 460, the 460 here, that level. Because we are really too late. I mean, not because we are late because we haven't seen it, but because we did not get actually a good entry, and I don't want to chase. Like this candle here again. I'm gonna talk about this because this is a perfect example of the stop hunt. Okay, stop hunt. Now get ready with this. I think we got also some kind of good news for the market. So if you can continue. So here's SPY. So SPY is still at this level here trying. SPY and US 500. I will stick to US 500 for now. So US 500 is actually the index. Yeah. So it's news based. Unfortunately, this is a news based market now, which is not the way I like to trade. But I would say, guys, we can take 552 for around 98 or 553 for 82 cents, and this is gonna be a lotto, so we might lose this all if any news came back negative. Because the way I see it is that we are stretched so much here away from the basis. I would, yeah, it's a little bit tricky, and this is see the line that I drew here. Oh my God, this is beautiful. See that line? See, that line actually came before this red candle. So we're still eyeing these calls, but we're gonna wait. Perfect, perfect. This is the pullback we need to see. Isn't this beautiful, guys? That line? I mean, I swear to God, I draw this line here and then it's actually started go red from that line. Amazing. So we are not yet in, okay? We're just thinking loudly here, okay? So random me, how find a spot to draw that line? Well, okay, now you know, you want to know my secrets, and then I will be out of job. No, but yeah, I think we can take it right now, guys. Let's take this. let's take this. If and let's pray for the gods of spy. Let's pray for the gods of spy that we're not gonna get wrecked. Hold on. Okay, spy.
Are you gonna wait for a candle close above that line or not?
No, actually, I'm not gonna wait. I tried to test blower and it couldn't, so I'm just gonna. Yeah, we already took that 553 or 554. I don't know which strike you guys wanna take, but I know that we are in spy calls now. Wow. Oh shit.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Ooh.
God, the market's so crazy today. Too much news.
Any other news came in? I think we should call it a day.
Somebody check Donald Trump's Twitter.
Oh, Twitter again. Oh my god.
Did you get in calls?
I am in calls, yes. I got in calls, yes. I am in calls.
I was waiting for that candle close.
Yeah.
I was muted. I was asking if you were waiting for the candle close. I didn't realize I was muted.
No, I took the calls actually before that. But I'm willing actually to average down on my position, so well, this is what I was talking about since the morning, guys. I told you that this market driven news is terrible. God damn it. Is YouTube gonna complain about swearing? Okay, I'm gonna take again here the 5. I'm gonna take 551 for 95 cents. If we can go up to that level here to the blue line, I think that this is gonna make it up for the loss. You guys need to wait. If you haven't yet got into these calls, you have to wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that SMA.
Yeah, we actually, you can either wait for here to take the calls. Right now I'm minus 17%. Well, I knew it. I think here might be also a good place for calls.
Yeah, I might just get in right now.
Yeah. Typically this is a good entry.
Alright.
Yeah, my price on
Okay.
the 5-1 call is $1. It's right now 71 cents.
All right. Up 10%.
Yeah, so yeah, I think that, so guys, you can see here that this was a good entry for calls. Now, if you haven't been in, okay, Ali, you need to pick any contract. You 551, 552, 553. We are not alerting here. We are trading together. So there is no time for me to alert. Right? Can't really alert this. So we are talking it through. So right now my position is minus 12%, which is okay from the call that I have taken. If you guys entered already with Ben here and folks on Discord, you should be actually up 15 to 20%. And again, the graphics, the projection is in front of you, just to make it very clear. So here is the entry. This is the entry here, entry line for people who are just joining or whatever. This is the entry line at the middle, okay? So whenever you see this shape here, you enter at this separator. When we say that we are gonna enter long or calls, pick whatever contract you feel comfortable with. At these times, I would say that we need to be careful. Go low, that's okay. Just make sure that you consider your sizing. And this is risky, news-driven market, so you have to be very careful here. News-driven market is not like any market. Twitter is a master of the market. So anyway, so if you entered here with other people, you should be actually in a good profit. My entry was bad, I have to admit that. Should have waited. But I'm gonna actually be patient. Who entered on this shape?
I did. I'm up 25% right now.
Who else?
Oh, wow.
Anybody else entered these calls from that position? Okay, I'm still down 10% now. If this candle actually closed green, we might continue to that level again once more.
Wow. I'm up 50%.
Well, I actually made break even here for a moment and minus 2%. But again, this is okay. Now,
Oh, I just sold.
okay. Everybody should be actually now in profit. Everybody should be in profit now.
Dude, I sold right
I am
before
plus 17%. I'm trimming, and this is just crazy price action. To be honest with you guys, it's just crazy price action. Crazy price action. Cheryl Scott, did you sell in profit?
No, the mid price. That candle? No. I didn't close for any profit. Wow. That's insane. Wow, that's so unlucky. That you see that candle that dropped down? Closed at the mid price.
Well, I guys, I told you since the morning this is a crazy day, right? I told you
Yeah.
that. I told you. I mean, even whatever you see here on the screen is something, and what actually happens on the broker side is something else, right? Because you are trying to fill a certain price and they are trying to match orders, and I'm not gonna be surprised if they said, okay, you know what, we are gonna hold SPY today. So let me ask people who are here, and we are all in this together, by the way. Do you actually have take profit and stop loss orders in? Are you using like Webull? Yeah, so if you had actually take profit and stop loss orders with this play, like me, I actually got half of my contracts filled. So my price was 97. I had a take profit at 1.1, and it got filled for half of the contracts. I still have the rest open, and I have taken those 5 for 17% profit. Okay. Now the rest are still down.
It hops back in. Now I'm up 15%.
So here's my thesis. Okay, as long as we cannot penetrate or break this line, we're gonna go down. So I would like everybody to make sure that you have a take profit. Even it's gonna be like at break even. That's fine. Just to trim your position, because this is gonna go down. Maybe a strong pullback. Okay, I don't know. Currently we are still bullish. Okay, that position is, or this projection is still valid, and of course that was risky as hell since the morning.
Yeah, nigga, how's the other?
Like since I have seen this doji candle in the morning, I was like, okay, that's gonna be a roller coaster. Let us see QQQ. It's gonna be the same. Moreover, I don't know what's really going on, but so that's QQQ. It's just the same thing, same behavior. That's another doji here is forming on QQQ. Okay. By the way, SoFi is actually now 72% up. Let's leave SPY alone and let's see something else. BA was a great trade also. We were actually in BA. See Tesla here. Anyway, I don't want to get distracted. Let me check here. I'm still holding calls. Yes, I'm still holding calls. Yeah, I'm still holding calls. I mean, I'm gonna set here just to make sure that I don't worry about these calls. I'm gonna set a sell at break even if I can get this, and stop loss at minus 40%. But I really want to catch here something else. Let me see. I want to take. Let me see. Can we take meta? Let me see that the prices for meta. Meta has implied volume of 53% only, which is not bad. Okay. What? Okay. I think I like meta at this one. Let me go back to SPY. SPY is still. Still in that same range here. So I would like to get into meta here. Meta looks very well, but I'm gonna set a limit for that. So Elliott Wave is telling me that we could potentially come down here. I'm interested to take it if actually it went to that level. So SPY, US 500. You should be good on the calls now, guys. So Jahan Birasha, what's your position now on the calls? I can't hear anybody. Are you guys there or am I disconnected? Are you there, Ben?
I'm here.
Okay. Just a crazy day. It is moving up slowly actually. And we pump SPY. Well, we are waiting for this. We are waiting. I'm already in calls. I sold half of my contracts, but still waiting for the rest. I'm gonna enter here a swing position for meta at a limit price, and the way that I do it is that if my limit price is fulfilled, I'm good with that. If not, I'm skipping. I'm gonna alert this because I haven't alerted anything today. So I'm just looking here at the Greeks. I think
Sorry, I was muted.
yeah, I noticed. Just give it a. You know what? No, I'm not gonna take it. That's fine. Let me go back and see SPY. US 500. Still struggling with this level. It's it's a challenging price action, guys, and like I told you in the very beginning, whatever call that we have taken, um, it should be like a lotto or like very what?
Probably gonna tap off this 15-minute opening range breakout.
All right. I still like Meta. I'm gonna alert this and see how to work. But it's gonna be limit. So this is 552.5 and we're gonna wait for it. Anyway, this is, let's see what SPY is doing. SPY is still shaking. I hope that you didn't go big on these guys in these calls. I went 10 contracts. Sold 4, sold 5. Yeah, so the SoFi swing actually made like 75%, and UPS as well. So the swings are way better than this price action that we have here. So again, my disclaimer for you guys in the beginning that this is very indecisive, very shaky, very risky price action here. And I believe that I trust my guts. I trust my guts when it gets to these doji candles. Like here is one doji candle, another doji candle, third, fourth. So if you are in these calls, I would suggest that you never average down on it and either close or just wait. Maybe market is going to reverse. It's just a lotto. Yeah, so Erwin J. Borja, what was your stop loss? again. So let me explain this to you guys. When I say it's risky, when I say it's lotto, you need to enter only with the amount that you can afford to lose. Okay? That's how it is. I mean, we are all trading together. I also lost half and half. This is minus 61% now.
Ooh, calls right here. Unless we're flipping. Something I'm worried about. Because look at the. We got a bearish crossing on the MACD as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's like it's.
See that here on MNQ. Oh, so for Meta, if we got filled, and I think we got filled here on Meta. Let me check. Yeah, I got filled at 1.6 actually, which is great. Let me alert this.
Do we have any bad news or something?
No, this is a natural reaction. I told you in the have you been with me since the beginning? What I said is that if the surge of the overnight was only because of the news, the market will come back to reality and people actually are gonna sell off again, right?
Yeah.
That's what I said.
No, Treasury chief just spoke.
Of
And
course,
speak.
of course, somebody's gonna speak and just wreck our calls. So yesterday they killed the puts, today they're gonna kill the calls. Okay. This is Meta. I got filled at 4.6, guys. I don't know about your fill. Who got filled on Meta? What's your filling price?
I'm still waiting a little bit.
Well,
Probably might get in right now. It's about to hit a key support level.
on what, on Meta?
Yeah.
Okay, it's
Alright, I got filled at 1.5. this is where the jump is.
So I'm gonna leave this meta contract there because we still have till tomorrow. Actually, we still have a couple of days, right? I'm thinking now on US 500 we might actually be interested in puts, but it's still holding. The SMA is still holding. So Zingnan Liu. So this is a swing trade, and the stop loss, I'm gonna show you the stop loss here. So my stop loss actually is if the price actually broke down this resistance to the downside. So this is a visual of that position. So let's say that I entered here. So this is my take profit. That's my stop loss will be below here. Actually, it might be even more than that. What's your entry level here?
My entry is 1.5.
Well, it's 1.57 now, 56.
Yep.
You should be in profit. Okay, your entry is
Yeah.
1.7. That's okay. That's okay. Just wait. It might pull back. There we go. Again.
I know. Wow, I'm up 10% now.
Yeah.
Wow. Calls would have been a 15%.
It's 1.6 now. Oh, I alerted this on Discord, Arwin J. Bora. It is. So now we are in profit. We are actually now 7%. So I'm gonna just say this. So we actually went up briefly, I would say, briefly. So Zingnan Liu, if you have only one contract, I would say you could take like easily 10% of this. If you would like. Like right now it's 1.72. If you are too heavy, like you have multiple contracts, try to trim if you're not comfortable. And did I answer you, Arwin J? It's made at it's 552.5 call. Now we are 175. Okay.
I got out. I'm chilling with 20%.
Yeah. So, again, guys, that's what we do. It's 177, 181. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, just trust the process. When I tell you that it's 185 now, 194. What about this?
Beautiful trade.
And still has room to go up. So again, guys, for the next live sessions, okay, whether on Discord or on YouTube, when I tell you that this is a shaky market and I don't have a confident play, just don't go crazy. Okay? Just don't go crazy and then regret it. It's always better to wait. If you wanna do some kind of risky aggressive play, just play with a very small contract. So that if it got destroyed, it's not gonna harm your capital. Now we waited, we have seen something else a little bit more stable. Okay, we got in the limit price that we wanted. Even some people got better price than me. Ben, you're smart here, huh? So, right? And then we take it slowly. It's not stressful, okay? And we just take it easy. But in the first hour of the market, especially in a day, well, 14 contracts, wow. Well, I had 10. I'm gonna keep here one runner because I still think that it has room to go up, to be honest. Okay, but if you guys got at least I'm hoping that whoever got into the SPY in the morning got their money back. Because this is what we do, even if we got something, you know, and we knew it, right? We knew it. We knew it. So it's not like that we were fooled. We knew that this is a shaky, this is terrible market conditions, and we chose actually to go into a risky play. So we knew that this is a risky play. Some people got out with profit, some people incurred some loss, which is part of the game, but we always recover, we always go back. Somebody's trying to talk.
Hello?
Hello, yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
I
we
said
can hear you.
I shed a couple of tears this morning for Tesla, but I dried them up and I'm okay now.
Hey, Lisa, if it makes you feel any better, the IV crush got everyone, so it doesn't matter if you were calls or puts, everyone closed red. So
Yeah.
Well, I told you this yesterday, guys, on Discord, right? I told you that the IV is gonna crush everyone.
Yeah.
And I did not actually, especially on Tesla. See, if it was something else, sometimes I go and play those ER plays, but I don't do in Tesla because Tesla is generally is very volatile, and most of the time the IV is so high. Okay, so when you go before the earnings, I mean, it's just multiplying that kind of risk by 4 or 5, and there's no winners. So let's go back to our lines here, US 500. So, I mean, we knew it's gonna go back up, and that's why we didn't take puts. However, in this roller coaster episode, okay, of course the contract is destroyed. Probably it would have made more sense, or better actually, to wait till it comes here and then take it from here. And we are gonna consider this in the next sessions, that okay, even it's so tempting and you know it's so good to be true and we want to catch that nice trade, it's better to wait a little bit. But it's okay, we can do a risky play every now and then. We are still up on Meta, that's a good trade as well. Okay, let me just have a look here. I haven't seen actually my IRA account today, so Let's see what's going on. So we're again going back to the same level here. Okay, but we're gonna learn our lesson, and we're not gonna enter here. Okay. The gold has cooled down a little bit today because obviously people are selling gold and buying stocks. When they sell stocks, they go and buy gold. So you guys need to understand this relationship.
We break out here, we fly.
If we, yeah. So we are gonna play it the right way. Okay. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close.
Could just be another stop hunt for puts.
It could be because see, here is the high of the day, right? Here is the high of the day. We need to wait for this. We need to wait for this to close. We're not gonna actually get played again, right? This is a critical level here, and this level was there since the morning. See, all of these candles did not close above this level. They tried to break it, they couldn't. All of them.
Wait, I think we're... Yeah, oh, it's because we're tapping off of the 15-minute orb. That's what that level is.
Let's
On
just
spy.
check. Okay, for me, I still need. I mean, nothing changed really from the morning, right? Nothing.
It's just chop. Like if it, I just zoomed
So
out. and
now,
went on the
now
1
it
minute.
closed. It's closed actually above it, but now we have to wait for the retest.
Yeah.
But anyway, good for the calls. I mean that we have opened in the morning. Who knows? Maybe I'm gonna get out on a profit or even break even. I still have 5 contracts opened. So now, as you can see here, this indicator let's see. Let me check my small cap here, Maya. It looks good actually. So Elliott wave is giving me here. It's gonna go back up Also, we have a target here for this. It's pretty good. I'm gonna alert this again. Okay, but let's go back to Meta. Meta, what? Okay. Guys, I'm doing many things in the same time. So, apologies for this. Multitasking. Okay, so Meta right now is 2.05. And somebody was a little bit concerned. Mr. Zingnan Liu, you were concerned about your entry. What about now?
Yo, Nam, look at Q's. We could enter on calls on this pullback maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna look. I just have some people waiting for alert on Meta. Probably this is gonna be my last alert on Meta. People can set stop loss to profit and that's it, right? Q's. What's really the difference? But see, it's just doing the same exact thing it did in the morning. The same exact thing, which is just going 2, 3, 4 candles without actually any pullback. But we probably should have entered Qs here. Now SPY is giving us double top, which makes it difficult, right? So now they are moving against each other. Oh no, you're gonna get, where's my, okay, so let's Tesla is actually making a good move here. Let's put them together. Okay, so let's put them together and see. So a good entry should be here, somewhere here actually. I have to wait for the pullback. Somewhere here. Okay.
Yeah, so it looks like if I ever do Tesla earnings again, it's better to do TSLL calls.
It's better not to do it at all. If you want my advice.
Yeah, but I should have done TSLL instead of Tesla.
Tesla got all my money back. Nice win. Congratulations. See, this is what I don't like actually, which is why I have this buy thing here. I don't want this. I don't want this buy sell indicators. Just clean it up, man. Do you mean Tesla or Meta? I did not alert Tesla today. Oh, you made Tesla by yourself. Okay, great. Great. And you did not share that with us? Like you took the trade and you didn't share with us? Well, so you win alone? See, now we're gonna wait for it. We're gonna wait for it. So this is the VWAP here. We're gonna wait for the VWAP. That's okay. I'm just pulling your legs. See that? That top, double top here is playing very well with SPY. They're moving together, which is okay. Let me put some mini fibs here to tell us about the possible entry points. I know that now this chart is gonna be very hard to read, but it is what it is. So I think that's now these bodies of these candles are now getting shorter and shorter, right? Which indicate low volume, and also you can see here the volume on the MACD is really shrinking. So I'm just afraid that we will get into the boring phase of the market. Who's green for the day today?
Me.
Who else is green?
I am greener than green.
Debbie, are you
Green,
green?
green, green.
Debbie, are you green? Debbie is our newest member here on Discord, as well as Marlock, Chef G.
You said Debbie's new. Hi, Debbie.
Yeah, Debbie's new.
Who else? Who else is new?
Marlock is new. Chef G is
Hi,
new.
Marla. Hi, Chef G. Welcome, welcome.
So Ryan is Rygon. Okay, nice. Okay, okay. A question for you guys based on what you have noticed. Quiz for your technical analysis. Do you think that this candle is gonna shoot up or it's gonna go down again? Test your knowledge. Okay, down.
I think it's gonna go down.
So we got a lot of people saying down. Someone is saying it's gonna shoot up. What do you think, Ben? Is it gonna go down or is it gonna go up?
Down. I'm in puts right now. I'm up 10%.
See, you're taking trades without telling us. You were talking about calls like 15 minutes back or 10 minutes back, and I told you
Now,
we got
Ben, you need to share the wealth.
and
Ben needs to
and
share the wealth.
and
Now,
I
Ben.
told you we have like double top here, and then you switched to the puts without telling me. Once you saw this double top, you said, "Okay, I'm gonna go puts," right? Oh, you should share the wealth.
Yes, Ben. Don't keep it to yourself.
I mean, my bad, guys. My bad. It was just kind of an in the moment thing.
Share the moment. Share.
Yeah, I mean, I know it's gonna go down a little bit, but again, guys, what I hope that in the next few sessions that you learn how to scalp, and scalping is not for everyone. Okay, so Ben is a great scalper here. He can get in and out, make like 5-10%, and then just close like, close that trade. But at least I'm trying to teach you how to read the chart, which is important. Now we have got double top here, right? And I asked you whether you're gonna go up or down, and most probably, always, the probability is is in the favor of going down. See, how did I know this? And thank you for everybody actually who answered. So number one, the volume is low. Okay, so volume is low means that there is no enough power actually to bring the price up. And
Right.
what happens is if the price is not going up, the buyers will lose confidence and then they will
Mm-hmm.
dump their positions. And this is what you can
Yep.
see now. Okay, it's going down. It's true that I
Yep.
haven't actually taken the put here. Okay, and I have my own reasons not to take the puts, and I'll explain it later. But the fact is to know where probably the price is going is something that's going to help you. Okay, so now the question is right now is, first of all, you could have taken puts, you could be like 10-15%, but I would say it is risky because that was only one pattern. Now we have got confirmations for put. We got now here a death cross here to the downside, and for sure we are not going up at the moment. Now I'm gonna go back to the question I asked myself. Why didn't I take puts? Because I have assumed from the beginning that we are in a bullish trend. That's why now I'm waiting for a position to get to enter calls. Okay, in between you can take puts against the trend, which is perfectly fine. This is what Ben did. Um, so I don't know. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, see you later, Mr. Postkiss. So right now, I think we might be able to and to wait for calls at least at this level here. So the puts on QQQ, it has some kind of a room to go down. Okay. By the way, YouTube guys, do you see the delay today or it's better than yesterday? Because I made a lot of changes. Of course, no delay on Discord. I know that. Okay, so now that's what I told you. I'm waiting actually to take calls on. Oh, can't be. That's. I'm using the YouTube Studio. Anyway, so our next move is gonna be calls. I'm gonna wait for the calls here to take a position.
Wait, I'd be careful, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm not in a rush. I'm not in a rush at all.
It's because Trump's talking right now. He's talking about Fort
Oh.
Knox.
Oh, okay. If he's talking, I'm not gonna trade, guys. To be honest with you, I'm not gonna trade. So, um, I'm just gonna take a break here. Wait for him to finish his talk. I don't want to get wrecked with this guy.
Yeah, and if he says all our gold is gone, like the market's gone.
I'm not interested. I'm not interested in trading what he's talking, guys, and I need you to understand this. So I'm gonna take a break here right now. Go and make coffee and then I'll come back. If you guys on YouTube want me to go back live today, just tell me on YouTube. Otherwise, I'll be back here on Discord on the server. I will keep everything on. I just go and get something to eat, make some coffee, and I'll be back.
Be too long.
Well, I mean, he's talking all the time. I mean, he doesn't stop. I mean, he
I
doesn't
know.
stop. I mean, at
I
night,
know.
in the morning, in the evening, while he's playing golf. I mean,
Nonsense.
we have children to raise, and he's just talking and tweeting and signing executive orders. I mean, this is crazy.
Foolishness. Foolishness. Okay. I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
Foolishness.
Okay. All right. So I'm
All
gonna
righty.
I'm gonna
See you in
I'm
a
gonna
bit.
keep I'm gonna keep everything here intact with this screen here on Discord. But I'm gonna actually I can keep the live stream on YouTube and come back. I mean, if you guys like my screen, I'm
Wait,
gonna
wait,
what
wait.
what
Hold up. He might not be talking. That might have just been my stream from yesterday, but it said live. Wait, hold up.
Mm,
Just double check.
okay. Either way, I'm gonna make cafe and come back. So I'm gonna keep
Yeah.
this. I'm gonna keep
Okay.
everything the same.
All right. Go take a quick break and come on back. We'll be here.
Wait. No, he's What the hell? Oh yeah. Guys, I think I'm gonna get in on calls here. Going for 5-4-6 strike.
You said 546 call?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm up. I already got in though, and I'm at break even right now.
Okay, I've seen this. We can take calls. This is the level that I had here, but see this?
Oh my
Damn it.
god.
Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. That's why I was just
Oh, I'm already in calls, dude.
okay, so
Hold
we
on, I gotta
take the
have this
SMA,
shit.
we take the SMA, we take the SMA, we take the SMA. Let's take the SMA.
Oh, what the? Dude, I just went down 90 and now I'm like in profit. In like literally 7 seconds. It's insane. That was
Yeah,
insane.
yeah. But we still can grab a small position here, small position of calls. Okay. But I would wait for this candle to close. Everybody else, if you are not in, I would actually wait for this candle to close, right? But QQQ looks better. QQQ looks better actually, better than SPY. Okay, QQQ, I would say maybe 466 or 465. Okay, I'm getting 466 now. I'm getting 466. It's at 65 cents. $0.65.
God, I can't get food. Come on.
It's 69 cents now. 66 cents. Guys in YouTube, are you still here? I think everybody left.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I got filled here at 63 cents. I'm gonna alert this. Actually, no, I'm not gonna alert it to everybody. I'm gonna just trade live with you here, guys. So this is 63 cents. It's now 57. And this is the Qs, guys. This is the Qs. I'm gonna move my position here. This is not SPY. It's the Qs.
Dude, I got a terrible fill for Qs. I got filled at 0.88. Or no, point. Yeah, point.
So this is my position here. 466 calls. It's now at 59 cents. $0.60 now. 62 cents. Probably this is gonna be the last trade for this morning, guys. I need to drop my son and stuff like that. And also, all of us, we need to have like a mental break. We are 63 cents now. I'm at break even. 65 cents. We are up 3%. 68 cents. 8% up. Who entered with me at 63? Who entered with me? If you entered, let me know. Let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna close the screen and go back. Who entered?
I did.
Okay. We're now 73 cents. 15% up. $0.73. So if you guys entered at 59, just close, take profit, set stop loss, do the usual. Okay, I don't have to tell you, that was clear. Just do the usual, take your profits. I'm gonna trim here 74 cents. Gonna close most, 73 cents here. Closing most of it. Keeping only the runner in profit. That's a good trade, guys. That's good trade. Okay, Angie, you got in, you got profit. Chef Lee, are you in? Okay. Meet Shepherd on YouTube. Okay. Great. Ali Johnson on YouTube. You are all in profit. Excellent. Brian Garvey, I did not get in, but why you were bullish? I'm bullish since the morning. I'm bullish since the morning. This is my fibs, okay, my friend. This is my fibs, and the price did not break and close below the 0.5, so we are not reversed. Only if we are reversed and we close below the 61.8, only then I will be bearish. But till then, I'm waiting for calls. And if you attend my lives, you will actually understand my my approach, my trading strategy. Okay, which is very easy, but it is effective. Now we're back 73 cents. Maybe this is gonna shoot up. See my position here, the projection. See this? This is
Yes,
where
I knew I should have held.
see, this is the projection. I told you guys. I told you, Ben. I told you even that QQQ is better than SPY. Sometimes you need to just to see which one is cleaner. SPY was not that clean as QQQ. QQQ was so clean. The EMA is here, okay? Right? So I took it at the EMA. It might go up, might not. Doesn't matter. We are in profit, right? We're 75 cents now. 75 cents. 18% up. 19%. Okay.
I'm in SPY as well. I'm up 10% on SPY. Wow.
Well, I mean, see, when the market stabilizes, okay, we could actually do the right moves at our own conditions, right? The first hour in the morning or after earnings or when these guys are talking, the market is actually full of, fluctuation. So it's very hard to take a position and to, predict where it's going. But I think that this is a very good win. This is our second win today or third win. I don't remember. Like we won on Meta, we won on QQQ. The new guys here on Discord, are you guys making money or you're just listening? Oh my goodness, I got 65 emails. Damn it. Oh, you didn't take this trade? Why, Brian? That was a confident trade. But anyway, more to come. More to come. So we do not regret anything here. I do not regret anything. You know why? Because we take the measures as much as we can. Maybe we are not trading one trade a moment or one trade every minute, but I'm trying as much as I can to just have enough confidence and a good R2R. Now this QQQ is over, okay, but it can give us another entry, by the way. So we can still wait for that level here if it went down, and we can get another entry.
Yeah, right now.
I would wait. I would wait. I would wait. Just wait. See, why would we wait here? Again, I'm trying to explain this. So see, Ben, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red candles. Okay, we took the right candle here, which actually brought us up, which is a natural bounce of the EMA. But the more time bears are in control, the weaker bulls will become. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you cannot just expect that you repeat the same scenario over and over and over, because at the end of the day these are only orders pending on the broker side, and if the selling orders are more than the buying orders, we're going down. So I would actually wait. Even next time, I'll be even more careful. I will drop my entry even to the SMA, not to the EMA. Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because who cares? I mean, we made like 2 3 trades. We won on that. So why rush into unconfident one? On the SPY level, I think that if we broke below 6.1, 68.61.8, we might be actually looking at reversal, which means that all the gains that we had in the morning has been lost, and probably the market is going to flip. And remember what I told you in the very beginning, guys. I told you in the morning, I told you that if the surge from yesterday was just because of this chit chat, the market fundamentals are unchanged and we are still bearish on the overall sentiment. That's what I told you. I'm gonna stick to this statement. All right, guys, I gotta go right now. So I have a lot of things to be done. So I will actually see you either later in the day or tomorrow. Ben, you can stay on with the other people here in Discord, and you can continue trading with each other. I need to get some stuff done. Thank you very much for attending, everyone, especially in YouTube and Discord here. Thank you. Love you all.